do all those things that he wanted. But don't think that he's not thinking for you. He have not seen your tears. He's not heard the prayers you. He will turn out the prayer. He will give you the answer of all those prayers that you have wished when the time is correct. And at that time you feel that, oh, all those cries, all those sleepless night, all those anxiety attacks, or whatever you I can say, are all, I think, worth it today. Because if you have got those things which you have just prayed for, I don't think so that is much better. Who knows, maybe you're standing in front of him asking for a rose, or a flower, and he has written a garden full of roses for you. Okay, there are many examples I can give you. So believe in him, believe in his timing. Maybe if he's not allowing you to meet the person that you wanted, or is written in your destiny, you're not ready for that. Maybe. Okay, because if this is the time of building your career, this is the time of focusing on yourself, and if you got that person, maybe you can distract. Maybe you don't achieve the things you wanted. Okay, so if the God is not working in your favor, just allow yourself to digest the things. It's because maybe something great is written for you. There are seriously many personal examples that I can give, and seriously, in every example, you will see at the end that if the things didn't work out for you, it was really not meant for you. No matter how much you cry, no matter how much you beg, if the God will never give you. You might have heard that reel on Instagram. मेरे धागे लौटा दो माधव, मेरी मन्नत अधूरी रह गई है. And I just really felt that reel. Seriously, God knows everything. Okay, what you want, how you want, when you want, and what's the correct timing. You don't know anything. I would say you think this thing. You don't know anything, and He's the person. He's the God. He's the Almighty who knows every means even a small thing. Okay, what the next step you're gonna take, that also He knows. So don't blame Him or don't question Him. Okay, He's the founder, or I can say He is the creator of the universe. You can't question him. Okay, this whole world works according to him. You work according to him. Who are you to ask him? He know what is written for you. He'll just believe in him, just gonna give you the bestest thing you have ever got. Okay, and I can really bet with you, after 10 years